Philippines. And just like I said, we're celebrating the World Voice Day 2021 today. And very timely ang ating discussion ngayon because we will be joined later by the Voice Master of the Philippines, Sir Pocholo De Leon Gonzalez. But before that, before we talk about our special guest this afternoon, I'd like you to join our discussion. Sabayan niyo po kami at pag-usapan natin. Fill in the poll po tayo ngayon. Mahalaga ang boses ko because, yes, you just have to simply complete that sentence. Mahalaga ang boses ko because. You may send in your responses to 0949-788-7395. Again, that's 0949-788-7395. Also, you can leave a comment on our Facebook page, on our live video streaming dito sa Facebook page. That's facebook.com/DXGN899. So sa ating mga kaibigan sa radyo or mga nakikinig sa radyo, you can log into our Facebook page to join our discussion also on Facebook. So yun lamang po. For now, I'll give you a few details of what's going to happen this afternoon in this episode. Pag-uusapan natin, as always in this program, the blessings that we have been experiences. Ang sinasabi ng iba, ang hirap ng panahon ng pandemya, which is totoo naman considering the current COVID-19 situation in the Philippines and with the surge that's happening in NCR and in other parts of the country. It's really a struggling period for all of us. At mahalaga somehow to keep us afloat, to keep us sane, you have